How to find and follow people on Threads. So to start, we'll just have to open our Threads app. And then in here, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can find and follow users on Threads. The first one is by simply tapping on the search icon. And then after that, it will show you different accounts or users that you can follow. But if you have a specific account that you want to find and follow, all you need to do is to tap on the search bar and then type the name of the account. After that, it will show you different accounts that is under that name. And then to follow an account, there are two ways to do that. The first one is by simply tapping on the follow icon, and then the second one is by going to their account. In here, simply tap on the follow option. So another way for you to find and follow random accounts is by simply going to your home profile, and then in here it will show you different posts from different accounts. If you want to follow an account, all you need to do is to tap on this profile picture and then a pop-up menu will show you this follow option. And then after that, if you want to view the list of your following and followers, all you need to do is to go to your profile and then in here tap on this followers option. After that, it will show you a list of the accounts that follows you, and then if you want to view your following, simply tap on the following option to see all the accounts that you have followed. So that's how easy you can find and follow people on Threads. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!